Hello flower lovers! Today I would like to show you the most beautiful and elegant begonias ever seen. Get ready to fall in love with 3 absolute showpieces from Provenwinners. We've got Begonia Summerwings, Belleconia and the breathtaking newcomer Belissa. Let's start with Begonia Summerwings, which is the perfect plant for sunny spots and hanging baskets. In contrast to the classic begonia varieties, Summerwings are perfectly suitable for full sun. It grows fast, trails beautifully and bursts with blooms all season long without pause. They make such lush cascades of magnificent flowers, so graceful you can see. I think they're really gorgeous. With its sleek foliage and vibrant colors, Summerwings is tough yet elegant, thriving in heat, wind and even occasional rain. Summerwings are available in 6 vibrant colors, certainly one more beautiful than the other. Let's get over to Belleconia series, the very queen of cascading begonias. With its double flowers in rich tones of red, pink, white and mango, Belleconia turns every balcony or basket into a romantic waterfall of color. This high-performance begonia makes these huge quantities overwhelming double flowers, which make her an absolute eye-catcher. Belleconia loves bright shade and is perfect for covered patios, north-facing balconies or semi-sunny corners. May I introduce the rising star Belissa? Belissa is a new series of upright growing begonias with a compact, bushy plant habit and colorful double flowers. They perfectly combine the weather resistance of Summerwings with the full floral glamour of Belleconia. Belissa prefer half-shade locations but have proven their merit under hot conditions in full sun as well. They are incredibly rich in blooms and effortlessly stunning, a new generation of begonia that truly has it all. Let me tell you why gardeners choose Provenwinners begonias. First of all, because of their continuous lush blooming from early spring until frost. Then second, because they just look stunningly elegant and impressive in every container, basket or balcony box. And very important, in contrast to the classic begonias, they are surprisingly heat and weather tolerant. Now tell us, are you more of a Summerwing spirit, a Belleconia romantic or a Belissa trendsetter? Drop your favorites in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more floral inspiration of Provenwinners. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye!